the chief guest of today's program, Professor Dr. Subarna Shakya, to be here on the stage for his few words. Let's welcome him.
Thank you very much for inviting me here as a chief guest of this beautiful ceremony, Code for Change. Okay? And Code for Change is one of the most important aspects nowadays. If you know about the code, programming, you will get the job very easily. When you graduate from the university, if you know about the code and coding, and if you know about the programming, then it is easy to survive in your job also. The other is the Code for Change helps computer scientists or computer science expert use their skill already mentioned in the social change of the life and make social change an integral parts of the computer science culture. When the guys you studying computer science, you do not know about how to make a code, then it's difficult to get the job in the future. On the hardware, just network is not sufficient. Then after that, Code for Change is building an ecosystem of coding skill and digital entrepreneurship in school as well as the universities to help build a new economy development of the country. Then after that, I think computer programming is a great idea, and Code for Change is doing great jobs by giving the student of basic coding skills, which will help them fit it when they leave the university or when they go out and find the employment. That's why Code for Change is one of the most important paradigm nowadays. So I thanks the organizer given me opportunity, and I also congratulate the winners who win the Code for Change competition and all who participate in this program. Thank you very much. Thank you.